In terms of exponent, we are going to simplify two questions in this video. Let's start. First one. This is a nested square root. First, root 2 to the power root 2 whole to the power root 2 over root 2, it's the nth root, right? 2 to the power root 2 divide 2 whole to the power 2. Very impressive question. So we are trying to solve this one step by step and should follow in terms of exponent. First, look, a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power b times c, right? So this is root 2 and this one we can write root 2 times root 2. Why? Because look, this is a, this is b and this is c. So b and c will be multiplied. So root 2 times root 2. Next, here is nth root, it means root 2 inside 2 to the power root 2 by 2 whole to the power 2. So this one, we know nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n. So against this one, we can write 2 to the power root 2 by 2 and whole to the power what? 1 by root 2 against this one, and whole power will be 2. This is this one. Okay. Now root 2 to the power root 2 times root 2, it will be only 2. And this one, look, root 2 by 2 can be multiplied with 1 by root 2, right? And also we can multiply this one also. So anything we can do. So first we can write 2 to the power root 2 by 2 and whole to the power 1 by root 2 times 2. It means this one and these two. Okay. Next, here is root 2 to the power 2. We will not do anything. Okay. Now this one we can write 2 to the power root 2 by 2 and times this one. So 2 means what? 2 means root 2 times root 2. So this root 2 and this root 2 we can divide. So we will get only root 2. So we can write root 2. Okay. Now look, root 2 to the power 2 and here 2, this root 2 times this root 2, it will be 2, right? Root 2 times root 2, it will be 2, and this 2 divide 2, it will be 1. Okay. So what will happen in here? Here is root 2 to the power 2 divide 2. Okay. Now look, we know a square means a times a. Similar, root 2 square means what? Only 2, right? And here is 2. So 2 divide 2 equals to 1. Very simple. So our required answer is 1. So you have to careful about this one, because once you transfer one position to another position, you have to careful about bracket, power and root. Look, root, bracket and power, everything is very sensitive. If any portion you write any wrong thing, you will get 0. Okay, so first question answer done. Our answer is what? Our answer is 1. Now we will try to solve another one. This one also very interesting. 7 to the power 1 minus x times 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 1 by 28. So what can we do? Look, suppose a to the power m times b to the power m, we can write ab to the power m, because this is multiplying. So once power similar, we can multiply base, right? A to the power m times b to the power m, we can write ab to the power m. Similar, here is 7, here is 4, but whole to the power 1 minus x. So we can write 7 times 4 to the power 1 minus x. And this one, what can we do? Look, this one is a 28. 1 by 28, we can write 28 to the power minus 1, because a to the power minus n, it means 1 by a to the power n, which is called negative exponent. Now look, here 7 times 4 is a 28 and whole to the power 1 minus x, and here is also 28 to the power minus 1. So here base are same, both side same base. We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n. That means once base are same, that time power will be equal, m equals to n. Similar thing, we can write 1 minus x equals to minus 1. So once we are trying to find out x, we have to careful how we can simplify these kinds of matter. So anyway, 1 minus x equals to minus 1, we can write minus x equals to minus 1, and this one also become minus 1. So here is minus x equals minus 2. So once we multiply minus 1 both side, we will get x equals to 2, right? So this is our answer. So this video I am trying to solve two exponential equation. Sorry, one is equation, another just to simplify, but in terms of exponent. We are following lots of law, like a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c, nth root of a. We also follow negative root. We also follow product of what? Power, lots of things. So you should careful this one. No more today. This video is very important. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. My channel name is SadX. Please don't forget subscribe the channel. And one more thing, this is Math Challenge 18. Last video was